You will thank yourself after watching this video. In our last video, we were talking about how to make gift box, and today we are going to talk about how to make a gift box cover. So as you can see in our measurements in the last video, we were working with 10 by 10 with the height of 4. So our cover will be 10.3 by 10.3 with the height of 1 inches. Yes, I know you might ask me why 10.3. We are doing 10.3 for extra space for it to lap well, because the other one we were working with 10 only. So if you want to do cover, your measurement will be 10.3 to get that extra space. So yeah, we are done with rubbing our gum, and you stick it to our white cardboard just like we did the other one too. So check around, turn, check everything, make sure that everything is smooth, and then you use the one I'm placing is our height. Are you seeing it now? That is 1 inches by 10.3, because our measurement for the cover is 10.3 and you must use 10.3 for it. So that's why I'm saying 1 inches by 10.3. Then you kindly place it around the base of the box, the base of the cover rather, sorry. So you kindly place it around the base of the cover just like I'm doing, then smoothing it to make sure that everything is perfectly okay. Now what you have to do is to cut out the excesses of the material like I'm doing now. So you trim it out, all the excesses of the material, then you trim all those sides so that it will enable you to fold the material well. You can see what I'm doing. So I'm just trying to trim off everything just like what we did in our previous video. And if you have not seen that our part 2, go back and watch our part 2 so that you know where we are coming from. So I will keep on trimming it till everything is well okay. So I will use my smoother to smoothen everywhere around the cover of the box. So you can see how I did my own. So I have to check if everything is okay, and everything was okay. So the next step is for me to use our tape dispenser. I'll cut our tape. You can see what I'm doing just like what we did in the previous video. I will cut my tape, join the two edges together and stick it together with the tape. You can see what I'm doing. That's exactly how you're going to practice your own. So you continue doing it till everything is done. You can see that's the last part I'm trying to stick. You can see the way I handle everything, join the two edges together and stick everything. So the next thing is for me to turn the other side, for me to stick everywhere around the box to make sure that everything is strong. So I'll continue sticking that tape to it side by side. I will turn the other side, so I'll continue sticking it till everything is properly stick together. So that's what you're going to do to your own too. You just continue sticking everything together the way I'm doing. Gently do it, don't rush. I don't think that your tape is wasting. No, you're trying to do this so that the material will be strong, the struggle will be stronger together. You can see what I'm doing. Just continue sticking your own together too. And this is the easiest method to make a gift box. I'll continue till everything is strong. So I'll continue sticking around anywhere that I notice that is not that strong. I'll stick it with the tape just like what I'm doing. So by this time I'm done. I'm just trying to test the cover if everything is perfect, and everything is perfect just like what you're going to do. Everything is really perfect. The next thing is to apply your gum, and the next thing is to get the materials that you're going to use. I'm using purple because our main box, the one you saw, is purple. So the next thing I will do is to stick it with our purple material. I will do some adjustments, do some measurements to cut out the excesses of the material. So now I'm done doing my measurements, so I'm cutting out the excesses. I will do the same thing to this side. I'm doing 2 inch so that it will enable me to fold the cover inside just like what we did in the previous video too. So I'm done doing my measurements. I will use my scissors to cut out the very side that I will not be needing. So the next thing is to fold that very side because we will need it for something different. So the next thing for me is to smoothen the surface of our cover so that everything will be properly arranged. inch, and that's how you're going to smoothen your own. So you can see that line is what gives the vibe when it comes to gift box. So the next thing is to use our pen to measure out everything so that we can be able to cut out some of the place that will enable us to fold, just like what I'm doing and what we did in the previous video. You can see me with our ruler there. I'm doing the measurement. Each of those angles is where I'm taking my measurement so that it will enable me to fold everything together. So I will continue taking my measurement just like the way you're saying till I'm done. Now is to use my scissors and cut it. You can see what I'm doing. Then I will try if I can fold it well. So it was okay. Then I will cut the other side too. Then I will turn. I will cut the other side till I'm done measuring everything. Till I'm done cutting anything rather. So that's how you're going to do your own. You can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to make it a triangular shape, just like we did in the previous video, so that I can be able to fold it. So I will do the same thing to any part that I'm trying to fold it in. So I will make this one triangular too, just like what I did. The next thing is for me to apply the gum. I'll continue applying the gum all over the body of the cover of the gift box. I will apply this side, I will apply the other side too, just like what you're seeing. So that's how to make a proper gift box. So I will continue. Gently do your own, just like the way I'm doing my own, and make sure that everywhere is properly rubbed with gum, just like what you're seeing. Then the next thing is for you to use your smoother to smoothen everything there. You can see what, just observe what I'm doing here. You can see what I'm doing. Then you fold that side in, you fold this other end into, you do the same thing to this side. You can see what I'm doing. Gently and carefully do your own. Then the next thing is to fold it into, you can see. Then the next thing is to use your scissors and cut it out so that you can fold that side too, just like what I'm doing. So I'll carefully trim out that side, just like what I'm doing. You can see it. I'll trim the other side too. Before you trim your own, check it very well. Don't go and cut it excess. Then after then, I'll use my ruler to measure the height, and everything was perfect. The next thing for me to do is to apply my gum on it, like what you're seeing. I apply my gum on both sides. Make sure that you're careful so that the gum will not stain the inside of the box. So I will carefully apply my gum. Then after then, I will use my hand to fold everything. You can see what I'm doing. It's not hidden. I will fold everything out. You can see how beautiful that very side is because everything match. I'll fold that side too. Then the next thing is to apply gum here. This will be our final side. You can see what I'm doing. I will continue applying my gum on the surface of the straw ball for easy folding of my material. Then when I'm done, the next thing I will do is for me to fold the material or to smoothen it. You can see what I'm doing. So I will try to stick it on the surface of the already gummed material, just like what I was doing. So you can see there, I'm done there. I will do the same thing to this very side. So I'll gum the two surfaces together, then smoothen everything. That's exactly what you're going to do. So the next thing is to check, use your ruler to do the measurement before you cut it out. My own is already measured. So the next thing I will do is to apply my gum, just like the way I was doing. So I will continue to, everywhere is okay for me. I'll continue applying the gum on the surface of the material, just like what you're seeing. Before I will start my folding in, I will check around to see if there's any mistake, any error. That's exactly what you're going to do for your own. So now it's time for folding. You can see how neat the work is. I'm done. You can see how neat it is. So yeah, our gift box cover is almost ready. I'm just trying to check everything, to clean some excesses and to smoothen the surface of the cover. You can see how neat everything came out. That's exactly how your own will look like if you just follow my measurements. Just follow my measurement. You can see how neat the box and the cover is. So our gift box is ready. Our next video will be on ribbon tying and how to customize your box. Stay tuned.